Problem number 2 on page 485 of General Mathematics Module. Solve for x in 3 to the 4x equals 9 to the x plus 1. Okay, to start solving this equation, we will write first 9 equals 3 squared, so that both sides of the equation have the same basis. So we will write 3 to the 4x equals 9 is equal to 3 squared, so 3 squared to the x plus 1. So one-to-one property states that if b to the x plus 1 is equal to b to the x sub 2, then x sub 1 is equal to x sub 2. Since they have the same basis already, we will just copy their exponent to solve for the value of x. So we will write 4x is equal to quantity x plus 1. And by applying the distributive property, so 4x is equal to distribute to quantity x plus 1, 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 1 is positive 2. And then, to simplify, we apply addition property of equality to both sides of the equation. We will subtract negative 2x or add negative 2x to both sides of the equation. Okay, so for x, combining similar term, for x minus 2x is equal to 2x, and 2x minus 2x is equal to 0, plus 2 is equal to 2. So, applying the multiplicative property of equality, multiply 1/2 to both sides of the equation, or just divide 2 to both sides of the equation. So, the value of x is equal to 1. Okay, so to get to check if the value of x is correct, we'll just check or substitute to original equation. So 3 to the 4x is equal to 9 to the x plus 1. So 3 to the 4th times 1 is equal to 9 to the 1 plus 1. So 3 to the 4th is equal to 9 squared. 3 to the 4th is equal to 81, and 9 squared is equal to 81. Therefore, it's correct.